Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World of Vishali. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. If you have not watched my first and second vlog of Kandy and Sigria tour, please check them out in my Sri Lanka playlist or the link is in the description box. So this vlog is day 4 of my Sri Lanka trip. From Kandy to Nuwara Eliya, I will show you our journey, the places we visited, our one-day city tour and also our stay right next to the lake. So let's get started. Good morning. So this is day 4 and we stayed in Kandy for 3 days, and after the Sigria tour, last night we came back to the same hotel. The next morning we woke up early. It was time to say goodbye to this beautiful Kandy city views, this hotel and the amazing staff who took care of us so well. We had lovely Sri Lankan breakfast, and as always we were the first in the restaurant because of our early tours. This tour actually I had booked through Get Your Guide, which included the transfer from Kandy to Nuwara Eliya along with the Nuwara Eliya city tour. We had booked a traveler van so we could keep our luggage comfortably. It was a little expensive but totally worth it. Like always, our guide was fantastic, made the journey comfortable and shared a lot of interesting information on the way. Our first stop was a tea factory where we also visited the tea gardens. This was my first time experiencing tea plantations. I always thought I would see these first in Kerala, but I got this chance in Sri Lanka. So I'm so grateful for this. Our guide also explained everything about harvesting tea, the whole process of how it's made, and we even tried different teas. He also clicked some lovely pictures of us in the middle of tea gardens, and honestly it was such a happy moment. Next, we headed towards Ramboda Waterfall, which is one of the most famous spots here. Luckily, it was not very crowded season, so we got enough time to enjoy the places peacefully. It was not rainy either, but still the waterfall looked stunning. We did not go down to the base of the biggest fall because we wanted to save time for other places, but we did stop for lunch nearby at Cafe Chill. The ambience was so cozy, wooden interiors, warm vibes, and I loved their concept of writing your name or message on bamboo sticks to leave behind. Of course, I did that too before leaving. And after lunch, we had a very long journey and headed towards the Nuwara Eliya. And first, we visited Seetha Amman Temple, also known as Ashok Vatika. This place is believed to be where Sita Mata was kept during the Ramayana times, and you can even see the footprints of Hanumanji here. I honestly felt so blessed to visit this temple and take darshan. The temple is so calm, peaceful, and everyone there was so kind and welcoming. For me, this was truly a highlight of the trip because I had always dreamt of visiting Ramayana related sites in Sri Lanka. So if you ever visit Sri Lanka, please visit Seetha Amman Temple in Nuwara Eliya. After that, we crossed the beautiful lake and reached Nuwara Eliya Post Office, which is one of the most popular tourist spots in Nuwara. This town is also called Little England because of its colonial British architecture. The weather was so pleasant in Nuwara, just like a hill station. Inside the post office, we thought of buying postcards. I even wrote one for myself and posted it to my Mumbai home with their special Sri Lankan stamps. Dropping that postcard in the old wooden post box felt so nostalgic and special. Definitely something I would recommend you to do here when you come. By evening, around 5 to 6 pm, we finally checked into our hotel. And wow, what a surprise! The hotel was just next to the lake and the architecture was even prettier than photos online. Our room had a lake view, and honestly, I could sit there for hours just looking outside. The same amazing view we had from Kandy Hotel too. After freshening up, we walked down to the lake where a summer festival was going on. There were food stalls, families, and so much fun around. The boat rides were full because of the crowd, so instead I enjoyed a cup of tea in the cold weather. Later, we walked towards the summer market near the post office. On the way, we got to see some beautiful architecture and captured the lovely shots. It was such a peaceful and refreshing evening walk. The market was local, I can say Mela, where the things were so cheaper and it was not that big, but we enjoyed that moment of local shopping. In the night, finally we came back to the hotel, got freshened up, and then we went to the restaurant which was just next to the hotel, and we had homemade style dinner there. We ordered Sri Lankan food and hot soup, which was so delicious, and that's how we ended our day on a relaxed note. The next morning was super exciting because this was the day we were heading to Ella, and yes, we were about to take famous Sri Lankan train ride. We had classic English breakfast on our balcony overlooking the lake, packed up and got ready for the next adventure. So yeah, that was all about our Kandy to Nuwara Eliya journey, the tea factory, Ramboda Waterfalls, Seetha Amman Temple, Little England Wise, and our lakeside stay. For me, the biggest highlight was visiting Sita Amman Temple. That was one of the main reasons I came to Sri Lanka to experience the Ramayana history in the real life. I truly love the vibe of Nuwara Eliya, and next time I definitely want to stay here for a few more days. So I will end this vlog here. Stay tuned for my next video from Ella, and don't forget to please like, share and subscribe to my channel World of Vishali. Also follow me on Instagram @SheIsWorldTravelGuide and @WorldOfVishali for more travel update. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.